Mike Innovative Door, linear door opener, blown gear. Took the cover off and voila. There's the gear. Pulled the old housing off. Dropped the limit switch assembly. Took the helical gear off the clip C-ring, O-ring, and a little bit more of that stuff fell all over the floor. Took the old gear out. Here it is, chewed up just like a Chamberlain. These are a lot easier to change than Chamberlain, I tell you that. You don't take the chain off or nothing, it stays intact. It's wonderful. Just drop that limit switch, take the helical gear off, the 4 screws off the limit housing, the O-ring, and you grease it, put it all back in there, and you can see brand new, baby. And there she goes. Plug this back in. Okay. And we'll let her rip. See what happens. Gotta attach the trolley obviously first too. That usually helps. There we go. For all your linear gear needs, call us up, 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our linear blown gear video.